Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today we'll be learning how to set no tolls on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to set no tolls on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear. Again, tap on the settings option over here. And on this interface, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and you can find the navigation settings over here just above the manage your preferences. Tap on navigation settings, and over here again scroll down, and over here under the category of route options, guys, you can see there it says the avoid tolls. Now in order to set no tolls on Google Maps, make sure this avoid tolls button is turned on or enabled. At the right side you can see, guys, over here the toggle icon. And with that being done, guys, the Google Map will not show you any road with tolls. And with that being said, guys, this is how to set no tolls on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.